welcome back. And today we're going to be making slime. Here's Trey. I would be sitting here right now, but you have to start the camera because we don't have anyone helping us. Now, first off for our slime, we need the glue. This is our glue. At first it didn't work, but now it does.
We're more than halfway through it.
Yeah, we made a lot of slime, and only some of it turned out right. Here you go. So, we added our glue first, which is the main ingredient in a successful slime. Now second, if you don't want your slime to be like bland and all just boring, then you can add in some paint. Well, let's see, what color should I make my slime? I want a pink slime, a greenish slime, and a purple slime.
Here, let's bring in all the colors.
I think I'll make it yellow. Yeah.
We have an option of blue too, but we can always combine colors.
Yeah.
I think this time I'll make a... Which one should I do? I'll go with some nice white slime.
Yeah, white slime goes very nice. Okay, I'm going to add my yellow.
Don't put it in too much.
Don't put in too much, unless you want a lot. If you want some color.
But just if it doesn't seem to, the colors don't seem to be really working out, just add in a little more.
So we stir it around with our spoon.
You can also...
Oh my goodness, this looks so cool. Look at that, can you see that? It looks like I'm stirring an egg yolk.
Mine looks like you just put the normal white Elmer's glue in.
Oh yeah, well maybe you want to add a different color in there. Wow, this is cool. Hope you guys can see that.
Here's mine.
You just stir.
Are you gonna see mine here is?
Ooh, oh.
This is good.
I'm going to put a little more yellow for some color, because we're going to add in shaving cream later.
I think I need a little more glue.
Okay, now we're going to add in some lotion. Lotion is a key ingredient for slime. It makes it soft and smooth.
Oh, and I will be back once showing some of the finished results of slime.
What? I don't understand what he just said. I think he's going to go get the dish soap, because we forgot the dish soap. Oh yeah! It's really hard to say that word like regular dish soap. Try to say dish soap. Dish soap is really hard. So I'm adding in this lotion. We just used the cheapest lotion, it was fine. I love putting lotion in slime. The lotion that we put in slime, when we put lotion in, it's always worked out well. Here's what our slime may look like.
I made a huge batch of slime yesterday.
Yeah, it was really cool. It was a little overactivated. But I'm sure that's how all slime we made has been overactivated.
I went out on our patio yesterday and I threw the slime up in the air. I did not catch it, dropped it on the ground, and it looked like someone had a bubble gum accident.
Yeah, and I'm not going to touch that. Okay, I'm stirring my lotion right now. Can I have the shaving cream, please? So I'm going to put in the shaving cream now.
I'm going to put in some lotion.
You can just use cheap ingredients for your slime. Well, you might want to use nice glue, but use cheap other extra ingredients.
But make sure
you don't want to spend too much on your slime.
Do not use cheap contact solution because we had it. I put in like a quarter of the container and it didn't even activate it. It just like added in more slimy stuff, so that's how I ended up with that much slime. Oh, and I made it pink so it looked like bubblegum, because I like bubblegum.
Yeah,
we've watched slime videos for maybe a month now.
Yeah.
Oh, and if you add in shaving foam, on this brand, or if you add in just any shaving foam, so there's a chance it'll add more slime. So that's one of the reasons I ended up with so much bubblegum slime.
Yeah, he put a lot of shaving cream in there. Lots of shaving.
Lots.
Which is cool. Okay, I'm stirring your ingredients.
Oh, and tip. I would use lotion because it makes the slime nice and soft. And
Yeah, I understand that. Can I have the lotion, please?
It's my best friend.
Yeah, makes me sneeze though, I think.
And the shaving cream makes your slime light and puffy. And the dish soap makes it stretchy. But we do not use this stuff. That's what I added in. And see, it's only up to like here. It used to be up to here, and I added it added in that much. And it only activated like to 1% of activation, and it needs to be at 100. Well, maybe there's more than just 1%. Probably something like 25 or something.
Yeah, you don't go in with your hands, with your slime, until it's like nice and not sticky. Like, don't stick your hands in to stir it around, because then it'll get all over your face. And if you have to stick your hands in, if you really want to, just stick one in so you can grab your other ingredients. We're going to come back when we've added in all our ingredients and it's time to put the activator in.
Hi, we're back. I've added some more color to my slime. So I started getting a little stretchy because I added in one of the best friends of slime. We just bought this from Costco. It's environmentally responsible premium liquid dish soap. And it's
Okay, now it's time to put in our activator.
But
This is super dangerous. I mean, it's not dangerous activator, it's borax. But just wash your hands after you play with borax slime. Because my mom uses it for ant poison.
yeah, it could kind of be.
So I added more shaving foam and stuff. Mine is getting thick and stretchy, which I like.
I've changed the color.
I like your color. Okay,
Now it's time for the borax. Be extra careful. Add in like just one tiny drop. Because this stuff is
tiny drop. This stuff is
strong.
powerful. So powerful, guys.
Oh man.
Okay.
And then
where's the?
oh whoa! Hey look, it's on chicken.
Yeah. I need to grab this.
What are we doing with this?
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be good, you guys.
This is spatula. You want to stir around the borax. You want to pour the borax in with water if it's like sandy kind of borax, like dry borax, and then stir it around vigorously with a tiny little touch.
Okay, you guys, I think I'm gonna go get a special ingredient that makes the slime less sticky.
Okay, he's gonna do that, and I'm gonna put my activator in. Okay. It's time. Borax. Here we go. Oh, I put in so much. I think I got some on my hands. Trae's gonna entertain. We'll be right back, and then we'll stir our borax in.
Hey, mine's getting bubbly.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, time to stir in the borax. Even though borax is kind of like a dangerous kind of activator, I really like it because it's an activator doesn't make it all bumpy and stuff.
Don't use Tide Pods. Those are even more dangerous.
Yeah, don't use Tide Pods.
Oh, boy, my slime's already popping. Hey, look, this is gonna be
a little bumpy.
Hey, it's not very sticky. Hey, let me try this.
Mine is...
Okay, now tip. If you just have to go with your hands, just do one hand.
Yeah.
I think we already told you that.
Hey, yeah. Oh, bubbles. This is gonna be a great bubble making slime. I need a little baking powder. Can I have that baking powder?
Here, just let me add a little.
I don't need that much.
Well, it's sticky. But, did you see how mine was ripped? It doesn't matter if it was really ripped, but it doesn't mean that it's overactivated.
Did you put baking powder in your other slime? Is it in the pizza?
Well, no, but it's really sticky. But I put it in my slime that looks like this, and it turned out to be really great. Mine is already.
Now you have two slimes now that are like that color. One of them is not overactivated.
And I don't care.
Okay. Well, I think I need to put something else in here to make this less sticky. Okay, now
time to stir vigorously.
I want to get it all to the sides because I hate to waste stuff. Like, hate to waste stuff. Oh, it's turning into slime. Good. Okay, let's see if it's not sticky enough to go in this one.
I don't know. I would say that I waited till one of them.
Oh, look, this is beautiful. Wait, does that make it less sticky or this make it less sticky?
Water makes it,
We're going to come back with our finished slime. Hi guys. So, we've done more of our slimes. Mine's a little overactivated, but I think that's how slimes go if you don't want them to stick. You know, mine's pretty good actually. It sticks together. I put in lots of lotion, lots of dish soap, and it's very good. I think I'll take it out of the bowl now and test it on the table. Just gotta grab this out of the edges first. Still a little sticky, but isn't that the way slime is supposed to be? Okay. Okay.
mine is embarrassing.
Yeah, I just want to grow something. Okay. I'll put it on the table now. Yay! This is good slime, I think.
And here's how mine turned
Uh
out.
oh, sticking to the table.
Little. I can't touch mine with my hands because it's like paint.
And
Here's how mine turned out. It's really bad. It doesn't stretch.
better take it up front so you can see. Like,
Here I go.
okay. Dum dum dum.
It's horrible. It feels like
It's just
dry
gross.
sand.
I am so glad it's not like brown, like you didn't color it brown. That would be
It's falling
horrible.
apart. Look.
Oh man, my slime's sticking to the tablecloth.
Here guys, here's the product.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's all yours guys.
Okay, my slime's pretty good. Very good. Very nice. I think I got